Hello friends, welcome to all of you. This is for the sake of physics. So from today, I am going to start a session on light. So our past video is on properties of light. So let's study. So before going to the properties, let me tell you first the light definition. That means what is light? Light is actually the form of energy. We can say this is both the magnetic energy and the electrical energy. This is called electromagnetic wave. And these electromagnetic waves are different types, but only we see the visible light. And visible light are made up of 7 colors, and this is the rainbow color also. Here you can see the 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So let's go to the next. So the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum, and that very high. In this universe, no object is present which can go beyond this velocity. And why this is? Actually, this is in special theory of relativity. I will make a separate video, a separate series on STR. So visible light wavelength is between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. So what happens when light strikes an object? Basically 3 things occur. One is absorbed, another one is reflection, that is reflect, another one is transmitted. Okay, so first is absorbed, reflect and transmission. So absorbed means light is transferred to the object. Reflect means it bounces off with mirror. Transmitted means goes through that object, such as with glass. Okay, so this is the case. Now white light. What do we mean by white light? White light is made up of 7 colors, and this color is also the colors of rainbow. That is also called visual. That is in the short form to remember the color's name. The first color is violet, then blue, then green, then yellow, then orange, then red. As you can see here, a prism is present, and this prism splits the white light into the 7 colors. And this is mainly the white light comes from our source of energy, that is sun. Okay, now let me show you how the splitting of white light occur through the prism. So first, this white light comes, as you saw here, the white light comes. Okay, second, the light, and this is the reflection. You saw it? Well, how do we see objects? I will have a separate video on the human eye, the structure of human eye, and it will come in later. Let's understand how actually we see the light reflected from an object. Suppose this is the sun, and the sun gives a white light. So first, this white light comes to this apple, and apple absorbs all the 6 colors rather than red. Okay, and we see as it reflects back the red color so to our eye, so we see this apple as red. Okay, now is it good to buy a white car? Well, the answer is of course, as white light reflects all the colors come from sun and it absorbs nothing, so it is good in scorching of heat. But if you have a black color car, it will absorb all the colors and reflects none, so you will feel a lot hotter. Well, you can see here a black color car, a white color car, and actually this black color absorbing all the white light, this white color car reflecting all the lights. Okay, let's go to the next. What is subtractive color system? Well, Objects create color by subtracting or absorbing certain wavelengths of color while reflecting other wavelengths back to the viewer. The subtractive color system uses dyes or pigment that is called colorant and reflected light. You can start with an object that reflects light and use colorants to subtract portion of the white light that is shining on the object. The colors are cyan, magenta and yellow. So, when we see a red car, is it the real color of it? Well, it really doesn't have any color. It reflects the wavelengths of the white light that causes to see the red and absorbs most of the other colors. Actually, color is a function of human visual system and it is not an intrinsic property. Objects do not have colors. They give off light that happens to be a color. Color is first determined by frequency and then those frequencies are combined and reach to our eyes. Well, as you are seeing here, a red color car, its color is really not red. That's so interesting. Let's come to the additive color system. What do you mean by additive color system? How do monitors and television display colors? Well, that's very simple. These produce color based on the additive color system. This involves light directly emitted from a source before an object reflects light. A TV screen and a computer monitor creates the color using the primary colors of light, and the primary colors, just remember, red, blue, green, RGB. Thousands of RGB phosphorus dots emit light to make the images we see on the monitor. Here you are seeing, right? Let's go to the next. Well, red, green, blue, RGB. Remember, this is light. Remember, this is light. All colors we see are made from these three colors being reflected in different combination and amounts. The secondary colors of light are made by combining two primary colors in equal amount. That is, when you can see here, when red and blue color combine, it forms the magenta. When blue and green color combines, it forms the cyan. And when red and green color combines, it forms the yellow. And by mixture of this red, green, blue, all the primary colors, it forms the white. And this is the color. Remember, okay? Let's go to the next. Well, the mixing colors, that is yellow, cyan and magenta, gives the black color. So this is for today. Thank you. Thank you so much for